Worldwide Fishing with Phil show here. We're going fishing today. We got Larry, we got Mike, and we're going with Captain Danny Lulu.
Hola amigos, ¿cómo está?
We're gonna go out and get some big fish today. Hopefully a big tuna, big marlin, but I know we're gonna get some dorado. It's gonna be a great day, guys. Watch what happens today. Danny's gonna do his magic.
Yes, we are.
So stay tuned. We're gonna go get some bait. We'll be right back. Let's go fishing. Love this part of the bay. All right, guys, we're back. We're just setting the lines out right now. Got Danny here at the Porpoising. We're at the rock. We're going to catch some bait right now so we can start fishing for the big game. And I'm going to toss a coin here. Good luck. See what happens. We always toss a coin for luck. Okay. Please! Thank you. Danny, we're going to get fish today, buddy.
Yes, we are.
We're all set up. We got the bait rods out. We got lines ready for the big rigs. We got light tackle. We got poppers set up. By golly, I think we're going to have a fishbowl day. This is fantastic, guys. Hey, stay with us. We'll be right back with some big fish. Don't go away.
This is what we do it down here. The way we do it, we bridle the bait, the skipjack for big tuna, big marlin, okay? I'm gonna do it right now. You have to be like this.
Yeah. That's the way you bait the hooks for the big fish out here. Live choras, about 3 to 5 pounds. These are big fish that we're fishing for here, guys. It's going to be a great day. This is one of the best fishing trips you'll have. Late October, November, December are great months for the big marlin and tuna. That's where we are right now, folks. So stay tuned. See what happens with these big baits. We're going to catch a big one. Fish with Phil. Okay, woke up, we're on again. We got a nice dorado here, guys. Fishing with Phil. Hey, Mikey, how you doing? And Danny Lulu. How you doing, Mikey?
Look at the sea turtle.
All right. We got a nice dorado on here. He's gonna do a jump for us pretty soon. I know he will. He's at the boat, I see color. He's coming.
Here it comes. Ahora, está el gancho, pendejo.
Here he comes.
No te sueltes. Dale.
Woo, nice move.
Gánchalo bien.
Whoa, two.
Súbelo, pues.
Woo, nice big dorado.
Ahí está la macana en la
Woo.
cabeza.
It's the Mexican hat dance, guys. Look out. Oh, here with your fish. Pull the top fin. Very top. Hold on a second. All right. Fishing with Phil, baby. We have fun today, Mike?
Hell yeah.
Who you want to fish with?
Fishing with Phil and Danny.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Woo. All right, let's get a little close-up shot here. Here's my little fishy. This was the wish of the morning here. We got lunch. All right, boy.
All right, buddy. What's the word today?
Dorado.
Beautiful fish.
En mi mochila están los gorilas, que amarras un San Diego, un nudo San Diego.
There. Okay, we just got hit by a pargo. We're back again, welcome. We just got hit by a pargo on one of our baits. These pargo get up to about 100, 120 pounds. Nice sized fish. That's the size of the mouth right there, guys. We'll get them next time. Danny,
Yes,
hook
we
us
will.
up another bait, bud.
Yep, we're gonna bridle one more. I got them on the tubes.
Let's get a bait going. We'll be back.
Hook up.
You need that other one in? Real interesting.
All right, guys, we got a big one here. We're back again.
That's what you needed.
And we got hooked up. Let's see, this thing.
Go to the. Go. Rápido. Es un marlin, güey. He's gonna jump.
I'm gonna bring this one in. He's gonna bring in the downrigger. That line is just ripping, boys.
Yep.
We're gonna have to get these lines in so we can start backing down and chasing him here.
Not really on the ponga. Let him fight him.
Oh, that's even better. Let him pull us around, right? Let him just drag us around. It's even better.
There you go, there.
Come on,
like it.
buddy. Give him chest. Give him chest, Larry. Up the tip. Up the tip. Just like that. Good job.
Nice fish. Yeehaw! We got marlin. Fishing with Phil and Danny's fun. What do we get today, Danny? What is this?
It's a nice black marlin right now we got on the line, on a live skipjack. He came up and grabbed it and we fed him and he's hooked up. Larry's on the rod.
How you doing, Larry?
Real nice short.
Yeah! boy.